Hello and welcome back to the new podcast episode in Ananya the Superwoman vlog. Today we are going to an educational trip with our students to BITM, and here we are invited for a beautiful inauguration of new gallery on television. So students are super excited. So let's go and enjoy this beautiful presentations. Students are enjoying a lot with lots of exhibits in BITM, and we are honored to be here and in the presence of Dr. C.V. Anand Bose, the Honorable Governor of West Bengal. This women's scientist burst will be inaugurated soon. This is newly added to the Birla Industrial Technological Museum in Kolkata. So we are here to explore these beautiful galleries in BITM. So let's go and explore with Ananya the Superwoman. Have you ever wondered that technology and management comes together and gives you an impact on the industry? So this Birla Industrial Technological Museum gives you the core physics to the modern science and all the disciplines of science together in one roof. So whenever you are going to explore this place, this gives you an ancient time to the modern era. So let's explore these beautiful galleries together. This museum encourages the visitors, the young minds, the curious minds to explore, experiment, and innovate. So, I just recommend this place to the young people and all the age groups. They will definitely enjoy each and every galleries over here. It was established in 1959. This is the India's first science museum. Today we are invited to this place for an inauguration of a new gallery on television.
Dr. C.V. Anand Bose. We welcome His Excellency, the Governor of West Bengal. And in the presence of His Excellency and the other distinguished guests, we welcome Dr. C.V. Anand Bose, His Excellency, the Governor of West Bengal. May I request Shri A.D. Chaudhary, Director General, National Council of Science Museums, to welcome His Excellency with a bouquet, shawl, and a beautiful Dokra memento, traditional handicraft of West Bengal, depicting Ma Durga. Thank you so much. We would now like to welcome Professor S.C. Roy, Chairman, Steering Committee, National Science and Technology Digital Archive, and member of the National Commission of History of Science, and former head Department of Physics, Bose Institute. Shri A.D. Chaudhary is doing the honors once again. And the memento, sir. Thank you so much. And Professor Obijit Chakraborty, former Vice Chancellor, Jadavpur University and Chairman, Executive Committee, BITM. May I request Sri Shubhobroto Chaudhary, Director, Birla Industrial and Technological Museum, to felicitate him with the bouquet, the shawl, and also the memento. Thank you so much. May I request our Director General to present a copy to His Excellency the Governor of West Bengal, and then may we request all the other guests to kindly unwrap the brochure that would mark the release of the television gallery brochure. And the brochures are handed over to the other distinguished members on the dais. Thank you. And can we sort of open it and so that our media friends can have a good view of the brochure? Thank you. Thank you. That's done. Thank you so much. May I now request Professor S.C. Roy, Chairman of the Steering Committee of the National Science and Technology Digital Archive, to kindly introduce this project.
Good evening. His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of West Bengal, dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students. The long wait for a dedicated science and technology digital archive is now over. Today is a historic moment when this dedicated science and technology digital archive, the first of its kind in India, will be inaugurated by His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of West Bengal. Science and technology have been crucial driving forces in human endeavor, constantly evolving and reshaping society. And we have tried to capture a slice of this history of evolution in this archive. To begin with, the archive currently contains glorious records of scientific and other achievements of about 70 Indian scientists of the pre- and post-colonial era. The stories behind the scientific achievements, the struggles and challenges lying buried under the materials like diaries of Srinivasa Ramanujam, correspondence of Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose with Rabindranath Tagore and others, Professor Meghnad Saha with Niels Bohr or Erwin Schrödinger, Professor S.N. Bose with Albert Einstein, etc., bring out different facets of their lives beyond their scientific excellence. The archive is the repository of these invaluable records available under a single umbrella. These documents will be accessible to the researchers, educators, public, and the students in particular, offering them an inspiring glimpse of our rich scientific heritage. It is to be noted that this is just the beginning of our journey. We will include more and more scientists in our fold as we move on, and we'll also add more documents to the existing ones as and when we receive them. Lastly, it is a great honor for me to have been associated with this nationally significant project as the chairman of the steering committee. It was indeed a wonderful experience working with the BITM archive team in association with the Director BITM and the Director General of NCSM. I hope the students and researchers will find this archive a valuable tool to be used in their quest for knowledge. Thank you.
C.V. Ananda Bose, Honorable Governor of West Bengal, to launch the National Science and Technology Digital Archive. This would be done by the use of a remote. As soon as our Director General hands over the remote to His Excellency, he would have to press it, and that would mark the launch of this archive.
Presenting the National Science and Technology Digital Archive, a repository for collection and preservation of the intellectual legacy of Indian scientists, engineers, technology pioneers, and medical researchers who shaped modern India. Visit the collections at www.bitmkolkata.net to delve into our scientific past, serving both as a research resource and a testament to India's journey for the development of science and technology. Log in to access the full range of material archived from scientists, medics, engineers, and inventors, including manuscripts, letters, diaries, photographs, notebooks, scientific publication, pamphlets, and newspaper clippings. The project, to begin with, includes nationwide contributions from around 70 renowned scientists like Ashima Chatterjee, Birbal Sahani, Bibha Chaudhary, Dilip Mahalanobis, Homi J. Bhabha, M. Visveshwarya, Vikram Sarabhai, and others who laid the foundation of modern Indian science, technology, and medical research.
I would like to introduce two Governors Award of Excellence for the outstanding women scientists in future. Each award carrying 25,000 rupees, a plaque and citation. I am not a scientist, but I have had the opportunity to be with the scientists, the best scientists of the world, for years together. As an IAS officer, once the Prime Minister, at that time, Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister, sent me to the Department of Atomic Energy. I had no idea what atom is. I went there, and the chairman of Atomic Energy Commission, after some time, he deputed me as India's representative in the European Council for Nuclear Energy, CERN, in Geneva. For 3.5 years, I represented India in one of the best laboratories, which is underground. It is 10 stories deeper in the Alps, a 27-kilometer long tunnel. That is the great laboratory where, recently Higgs boson was discovered. And great research is going on there. I had the opportunity to be there witnessing these things for more than 3 years.
Today it's a great opportunity for our students to meet and greet our Governor of West Bengal, Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose. And this is the beautiful part of our event, the students observing the night sky of Kolkata at BITM. Hope all of you have enjoyed this educational trip with Ananya the Superwoman. See you soon, signing off for today. Thank you for watching.